Picture a complex problem in your project: delays, defects, or miscommunication. How can you unravel the true cause? The Fishbone Diagram, also called the Ishikawa or cause and effect diagram, is a structured tool for dissecting issues and finding root causes. It's shaped like a fish skeleton, with a problem at the head and categories branching off as bones, each capturing potential sources of trouble. Let's walk through a real project example. A construction team faces repeated delays in site completion. At the head, we write, "Project delay." Draw the spine and bones labeled people, process, equipment, and materials. Under people, add understaffing or lack of training. Process could branch into poor scheduling and approval bottlenecks. Equipment might reveal frequent breakdowns. Materials could highlight delivery shortages. Guided by this diagram, the team asks why, for each branch, peeling back layers. Eventually, they find root causes: incomplete staff onboarding, flawed scheduler, and supplier failures. For another example, an IT firm struggles with recurring software bugs. Their Fishbone identifies code quality, testing procedures, user requirements, and external factors. Each branch becomes a focal point to dig deeper, so they discover inadequate test coverage and misunderstood user needs as key contributors. Fishbone diagrams foster teamwork and structured thinking, making root causes visible. They prompt broad investigation across categories, not just symptoms. But they depend on honest collaboration and don't quantify cause impact or probability. Sometimes, subtle issues are missed. Managers, project engineers, and project managers are prime candidates to use Fishbone diagrams. They're versatile, effective for manufacturing, IT, healthcare, and construction. Fishbone diagrams aren't alone in root cause analysis. There's the 5 whys, Pareto analysis, and fault tree analysis. Each method suits different situations. In summary, by mapping out causes with a Fishbone diagram, you transform confusion into clarity. The structured approach uncovers not just what happened, but also why. Next time you face a stubborn problem, grab a blank page and start drawing your own fishbone. You'll be surprised how quickly root causes come into focus.